Hello Koeyes fans. Wait. What? Okay. Hello Koeyes fans. How are you doing? It's your boy Koeyes and okay. I'm 9 years old, but I'm almost getting in. I mean, I'm 8 years old, but I'm almost getting to 9 years old. So 9 years old. Sure. Okay. Skip. Welcome to Wildcraft. Press skip. No. This is kind of a movie. This is a story about the wildlife. Good. A story about beautiful nature and animals. A story you create. Okay. Here I get a wolf. Bum. It's time for you to grow up and learn how to hunt. First, let's do some practice. Okay, use the joystick to move. Okay, slowly reach the green target. Now let's practice running. Okay, gray means I'm slow. Gray means I'm slow, and red means I'm fast. Fast mode. Good job. It's time to find your first target. Complete quest to earn coins and level up. Use the button to find nearby enemies. Okay, play. So this button, okay. I see that guy. Okay, got it. Wait, I want to see how this works. Okay, red thing means. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to do it. Here, because I don't have a heavy ball. Congratulations, you have defeated the fox. Let us guide you through the most important elements of game menu. Open the game menu. Let's unlock a game items by opening a chest. Okay. Come on. Right. Okay, I thought I was gonna say, do I need to press it or something? So, no. Okay. Free POW tutorial. Okay. Now you are ready to start your own adventure and family. Okay, bye. It's gonna leave me here. Fanged? Yeah. That's really bad. Okay. So, I think one of you guys is female, it's a small one, and male is a big. Damn, Koeyes, you scaring me, okay? Let's do it. Okay, I'm really big. Wow. Look at me. I'm really cool, dude. I'm super big. Okay, well, friends, when you sleep in your den, time passes much faster. Okay? Tap anywhere to continue, okay? Oh, quest is to stop these. Okay, sneaky. Do I sneak or he'll get me? Let's jump. Oh no! Oh, fast mode. What is 3 hits? Ooh, use one fast to get him in a teammate. Okay. What if I attack the dead body? I can pick it up by attacking him? That's kind of weird. Attacking a dead body and it's already dead? That's kind of weird. I don't know. Okay. Oh, that's my standby, I think. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I have a lot of range. Okay, not that much. But got 2 hits. 1 hit. I did it! You can now burn a copy. Let's eat this. Okay. Oh my goodness, is that a really beautiful girl? I know how to see. get this guy. Hey. Oh, yeah, wait a, what? Oh shit! I think there's no owners here. I think it's owners here. Oh no! I think it's owners here. I'm gonna keep the owner and then wait. Why is it named Car? It's such a bonder. How's it nice? What is that? I can get a girlfriend? My first love! What the heck? I got my first love. Okay? I'm gonna name you, okay? Oh no. Okay. O E-Y-E-S. Okay, Coeyes. Coeyes is my first love. Come on. Okay. So I can only do a female. She's a female? Coeyes is a female. I think I'm going to not get a gray one. Orange. That's for boys. Okay, I should get the gray one because that's for girls. Okay. Coeyes is now a member of your family. Let us show what you can do next. Okay, upgrade. Family tutorial. Okay, I can customize your family members. Okay, next. You can also play as any of your family members. Okay. Where's Coeyes? Where is she? Oh, here you go, Coeyes. What can I do with her? Can I interact with her? Oh my goodness, it's actually raining. Can I interact with her? Interact. I cannot interact with her. Okay, my task is to get bunnies. So, this is, oh no, this is a raccoon. Oh, I think he's gonna attack us. Let's get out of here. We are bunnies. Wait, that's my task. Okay. Oh my goodness, he was actually attacked. I'm a boy. He's not that much big than me. I'm really big. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. I think I'm gonna upgrade my health, speed, and speed and health. Okay, I'm going to do my health. Okay, and here is your power. Okay, and your speed. I almost, okay, now I cannot update anything. Okay, I think guys I'm gonna get 2 rabbits and then I'm going to end this video. Okay, get this guy. Got him. Okay. Oh my shit. My storage almost full. Oh, there it is. Get it down. Get it. Oh, he likes to pet. Yeah. Okay. He's not even here. Okay, yes. Guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. I really like this game. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. What? Wait a minute. Bye-bye, guys. I'm going. Bye-bye.